Greetings and salutations, folks. We're coming at you from behind the Wasatch Curtain. It is 3:32 Thursday afternoon, and there is a fire just past Diamond Fork Turnoff in Spanish Fork Canyon. We're going to go, we got to do a drive-by both directions and give you a look at what's going on. I apologize for the wind noise. Here you'll be able to see the crew that's... So we're just going to drive up to the top of the hill here, to the top of Billy's Mountain, and turn around. And on the way back, I'll try to get you a better look at where the fire actually lays. It's up on the side of the mountain over there. In order to avoid the wind noise and what have you, I'll have to show you the fire on the way back. So we have had some good rainstorm and lightning come through here. Fairly certain that this is a lightning strike fire based on where it's at. This is on SR 6, State Road 6. It is just east of Spanish Fork and just east of the Diamond Fork turnoff. So we're going to get right up here. See that little hill in front of us? There's a pull off there. We're going to turn around there. I appreciate everyone who's coming on and watching this. I wish it was a live broadcast. I don't, however, have any cell service in this particular area. So we can't do a live broadcast at the moment. I am still using my broken phone. I've not replaced it yet, even though it does have insurance on it. There is a small deductible I gotta get. So I apologize for any wind noise, folks, but there's where that fire is. Pretty inaccessible area. There's a big bowl back there. There are crews working around to the other side. They're going to work their way up to the top of it. Again, this is Thursday, 3:36 right now. We do have wildland support teams down there on that road out there, and they're working their way up. They're going to try to get up above it and cut it off in that bowl area. that being said, folks, I'm going to go ahead and end this so that it can upload rather quickly. Thanks for joining us. This is Standing Tall 710. We've been coming at you from behind the Wasatch Curtain. We hope to see you soon.